terrestrial and aquatic ecosystem. Question 1. What are the initiatives can be taken by the government to tackle environmental challenges in Himalayan region? 1. Ban on plastic to prevent non-biodegradable garbage. 2. Participatory conservation of lakes. 3. Sustainable tourism and solid waste management at the point of origin. 4. Construction of green roads. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A. 1, 2 and 3 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 2 and 4 only. D. All of the above. Question 2. Consider the following statements regarding Permian era and oceans grade dying 2.0. 1. Oceans grade dying 2.0 is similar to the Permian extinction. 2. The Permian era was a time after the dinosaurs ruled the planet. 3. During the Permian era, land masses collided to form the supercontinent Pangaea. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1 and 2 only. Question 3. Consider the following statements regarding Indian ecology. 1. In Himalayan mountain system, the East Himalayas have low rainfall, heavy snowfall, whereas in the West Himalayas, there is heavy rainfall, snowfall only at very high altitudes. 2. Tropical rainforest region of India is distributed in areas of Western Ghats, Northeast India and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. 3. The mangrove swamps of Sundarbans are the delta of the Ganges and Brahmaputra. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 3 only. B. 2 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. 1 and 2 only. Question 4. With reference to the zones of ocean on the basis of availability of sunlight, consider the following statements. 1. Only photosynthesis takes place in a photic zone due to availability of light. 2. Neither photosynthesis nor respiration takes place in an aphotic zone. Which of the above statements are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 5. With reference to zones of ocean, consider the following statements. 1. Circumlateral zone is dominated by algae. 2. Subtidal zone is never exposed to the atmosphere. Which of the above statements are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 6. Consider the following statements with reference to Indian Himalayan region. 1. It generates a plethora of services only for Himalayan inhabitants and has a permanent snow cover and glaciers. 2. It is warming increasingly due to positive radiative effects due to water vapor at the top of the atmosphere. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. Question 7. Consider the following statements regarding India State of Forest Report 2021. 1. India State of Forest Report is prepared by the Forest Survey of India, which has been mandated to assess the forest and tree resources of the country. 2. The total forest and tree cover of the country is 24.62% of the geographical area of the country. 3. A decrease in mangrove cover has been observed as compared to the previous assessment of 2019. 4. In terms of forest cover as percentage of total geographical area, top 5 states are Madhya Pradesh followed by Arunachal Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha and Maharashtra. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 3 and 4 only. D. 1 and 4 only. Question 8. Consider the following statements regarding the tundra biome. 1. The tundra biome is distributed only in the northernmost region of world adjoining the ice-bound pole. 2. This biome is devoid of trees except stunted shrubs, and ground flora includes lichen, mosses and sedges. 3. Rising global average temperature turning the tundra into a source of greenhouse gas emission. 4. Global warming creates potential feedback loops that encourage further destabilization of tundra ecosystems. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 2, 3 and 4 only. B. 1, 2 and 3 only. C. 1, 3 and 4 only. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Question 9. With reference to kelps, consider the following statements. 1. Kelps are large green algae seaweeds that can survive freezing temperatures and even grow under ice. 2. Kelps are a rich source of iron and iodine. 3. Kelp forests can help protect coastline erosion by decreasing the eroding power of waves during storms. Choose the correct statements. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 10. The India State of Forest Report, ISFR, 2021 has been released by the Ministry of Environment, Forests and Climate Change, MoE FCC. In context of this, consider the following statements. 1. The report has included first time a chapter on the forest cover assessment in tiger reserves and tiger corridor areas of the country. 2. All tree patches that have canopy density of more than 10% and area of 1 hectare or more in size are included in forest cover. 3. Indian Institute of Forest Management is the nodal agency for preparing State of Forest Report. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. All of the above.